welcome to my channel Utsav and Kala, and I'm your crafty host Priyanka. So I finally, after a week-long search for the diamond painting, the one that I told you in my last video about the diamond painting that I make myself, that the diamond painting I bought in 2016 from eBay, and I had lost it. I hadn't even started it, and I finally found it. It was in one of my mink foils, mixed in with my mink foils, and I found it and I was so happy about it. And I found it today morning actually, and this is what the design is, if you can see it right here. And it's not a very big one because it was a new art back in 2016 because I couldn't even find that many videos, but my mom did find a couple of them, which was just like showing how to put diamonds onto the canvas, and that is it. And it is 20 by 20 in size, which is kind of really small, but hey, it's a good starter point. But now that I have already made my own diamond painting and it's like really big, I think this will be easy peasy. But I was still nervous and excited to start it up. I did start up and I started putting the beads onto the canvas, but even though this is only a 20 by 20 painting, it comes with 28 different color beads, and it is a full drill square bead, and actually it was rolled onto this noodle kind of foam. And I saw in one of the videos by preschool teacher addicted to diamond painting that she got a noodle from Dollar Tree and cut it in half to the size of canvas, and then hold it down so that the canvas would not move or it wouldn't roll away. So this came with it, and I was excited that I don't have to go out and buy a noodle for this small one. And I was trying to use it, but then I said, never mind. I borrowed this clipboard from my mother, and she used it to draw her paintings and stuff like to draw, but she let me borrow it for some time. I might have to get my own. Let's get back to the topic. And yes, I have found my painting in 28 different colors. So because it was bought back in 2016, or maybe, I don't know, even now they send it with the tweezers, but it came with tweezers right here, if you can see. And I'm trying to get used to it. I'm not sure if I'm really used to it yet, but I'm getting the hang of it. And look at all these beautiful colors that it came with. A ton of colors, and a bag of little baggies so I can zip it up again, and resealable bags, and I can zip it up again. That is really cute. I don't know where I put my 3 other colors that I already started. They might be somewhere in here mixed in, but yeah, they come with 28 different colors. And right here you can see all the instructions. Is in, I think, Chinese or Japanese, I'm not sure, but it did come with this tray. I think 2 of these trays, and I have misplaced them completely. I couldn't find them anywhere. Maybe it got misplaced in moving from one house to another, and I moved 3 times between 2016 and now. So yeah, it could have happened, or my husband might have thrown it away, but who knows. Hey, at least I found the kit. That was a happy moment. So this is all the colors. There's like a ton of them. I'm not going to show you each and every one of them. But as and when I get the painting done, I will keep updating you guys how it looks. But let me just peel it open and show you how it looks. So this is how the painting looks like. And you can see I've already started a little bit here. And this is my kit, guys. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments below which was your first diamond painting kit and what size was it. Also, let me know if you want me to keep on updating how as and when I progress with this painting. I also have another diamond painting on order at Amazon, since I was like, oh, this one's lost and I need to get something else to at least keep in the sink of diamond painting. So I ordered another one, but I found this one today and I was happy. We can have 2 kits at a time, right? So it is coming, I think, tomorrow, but my next off day at work won't be till next Wednesday. So I will show you an unboxing video for that new diamond painting kit that I have ordered from Amazon. Yeah guys, let me know. I wanted to give you a little bit of update on where I reached on my diamond painting that I drew, painted and attached the diamonds myself. I didn't get to do much stuff because, like I said, my son is young and he gets attracted to all this shiny rhinestones, and he's like always wanting to get some. But I did get these leaves done here. I gave a little bit of outlining here. I started my flower and I've done all my purple work. I'm still missing the pink. My tree is almost complete. I missed out. I was going to finish it up, but something came up, so I had to get up and then I couldn't finish it off. But there's a little bit of space left here that's not done. But yeah, like I said, not much work done. Smaller leaves here and there that I have made. And yeah, and I even did the beak. So like I said, I didn't get much time over the week to work on it, but I definitely did a little bit of work. And obviously it's a little bit of slow process, so it'll take me a bit more time to finish. But let me know how you like my this bird painting that I did it myself, and also if you want to see more updates and more of the rhinestone paintings that I do myself. So let me know, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more fun and crafty DIY tutorials, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all guys. Thank you for being loyal to me, loyal to my channel, and sticking in there while I have been on and off, and I keep repeating every time I come. Every time I put out a video that you guys have stuck around long enough, and I'm trying to get as many new videos in as possible. So I'm thanking you so much for being there for me and being there for my channel, and just hanging on there so that you know that I'm going to upload new videos. I will try my best to upload as many as possible. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.